instead of changing the data types after we read in data, we can change them as we read it in with the read CSV function. So take a look at this command here. So all of this is the same as before. There's an NA values parameter that we can set equal to a one value or a list of values, or even a dictionary that maps column names to the missing value representation. So in this case, we're saying anytime the string privacy suppressed appears in any of the columns, make it missing instead. And then we also have this dtype parameter over here, which you can set equal to a dictionary to force certain columns to be certain data types. So we're going to force religious affiliation to be an int 8 and UGDS to be a float 32. All right, let's go ahead and execute this command. And it doesn't look like anything has happened, but if you do college.dtypes, you'll see, in fact, what's happened. So it didn't read these in as an object like it did before. It read this in as a float 32. It read it in religious affiliation as an int 8. So pretty cool. So you have to know this information ahead of time, but if you do know it, you can just go ahead and do this on read instead of doing it after.